What's up, guys? Welcome to this episode of Angel's Travel Unravel. So in this episode, it is actually a Jeep episode. I'm here with Rob, and you guys might have seen him a couple of videos back when we did the Jeep modifications for the Jeep Wrangler. He helped me do the dashboard camera install on it. But this week, today, he's going to help me unbox these bad boys. So what we have here today are the OEDRO floor liners for the Jeep Wrangler JK. Okay, now in my Jeep, I have the OEM Mopar Jeep floor liners already installed, but I'm going to take those out and unbox and set these up and install them so you guys can see what they look like. Now, OEDRO is one of our premium partners with our YouTube channel, and what they do is they send us items so that we can unbox them, we can review them for you guys, and bonus, you guys have a chance to win these this week. Okay, so details are to follow of how you're going to enter the drawing in order to get these floor liners. We're also going to be giving away those LED headlights that I had announced a couple videos back. So we'll be announcing the winner today. You just got to keep watching the video so that you can see who is the winner. Okay, and if you want to enter this week's drawing for these floor liners, just stay tuned. So we're going to unbox these now. We're going to show you guys what's inside, what they come with, and then we're going to set them up in the Jeep Wrangler and see how the fitment is compared to the OEM ones. So first I want to talk about build quality of these OEDRO floor mats, these floor liners, okay? So far I do see that it has the clips that the OEM ones do come with, which I do like, because that if these fit right, that means they're going to snap right into place and you'll have maximum protection around the edges. They also have the logo, the OEDRO logo, etched right into here. So build quality, so far it's pretty cool, pretty flexible. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out the OEM Mopar ones that I have, and we're going to compare them to these. Now we have to keep in mind that these are used, but these are the OEM ones that come from Jeep, and these cost a lot more than the OEDRO ones. But what I want to do is compare these, and let's see what they look like in comparison. So right off the bat, they both have the clips, which is obviously very, very good. This one's got the Jeep logo because it's OEM from Mopar, where this one is the aftermarket OEDRO one. One of the things that I do like automatically about the OEDRO one is it seems like it gives you more coverage than the Mopar one. I'm going to install this and see whether or not that's true. But so while the Jeep one does look pretty nice and rugged, I would prefer having the maximum protection that the OEDRO one offers. But let's install it and let's see what the fitment's like, because this one is much bigger. As you guys can see, there is definitely a lot more coverage with the OEDRO mats over here. I don't know how it's going to interfere with it doesn't look like it'll interfere at all with my pedals or anything like that. It does look really, really nice. It fit right in, and as you guys can see, definitely looks like it would definitely protect the floor liner. It snapped right into place, and it looks good. It looks really good. So we'll install the back piece now, and we'll see what that is like in comparison to the OEM back piece that's on the back here. As you guys can see, in comparison to the OEDRO branded rear piece, it looks exactly similar. Again, you have the connection points on both sides, but I will say that once again, OEDRO looks like it has more coverage than the Jeep OEM one has. So while this one does kind of have that rugged look, the OEDRO one has got more of the clean look. And I have to say that if this goes into place just as good as the back piece does, the OEDRO one is going to probably be my recommendation. As far as quality wise, they're both rubber. They're both fine. But this one is at a fraction of the price. So while this one has the Jeep logo everywhere, you know, this one doesn't. So let's install these, see how well they fit, and then I'll give you guys my verdict on the whole thing. As you guys see, this new OEDRO floor liner is installed. I really like it. Look how clean. It really gives this clean look to the Jeep Wrangler as well. It's not like that rugged look that my Mopar one does. And you know what? I didn't think I was gonna like this look, but I really do like it. Look at all the protection that you have from your floor rug, right? You have maximum protection everywhere. It fits great. There's definitely no, it wasn't hard to install. It snapped right into place with the OEM connections, and it definitely has a nice clean look. So. Alright guys, so what's my final verdict, right? I really do like them. I think OEDRO made a quality product here. They snapped right in. There was a little bit of fidgeting that you have to do, but you even have to do that with the OEM ones. I think that the branding that they have here is really cool. It's definitely, it's flexible, so if you need to make any adjustments, you can. I definitely think that for the price point, you really can't beat it. So if you're looking for floor liners, I highly recommend these. If you're looking for something that while you're off-roading or it's raining or anything like that, you don't want to get any dirt or anything like that inside of the Jeep, then these are the floor liners that you're probably going to want to go with. They're budget friendly and they work well, and I'm going to say that they're just as good as the Jeep OEM ones. So if you guys have any questions about these floor liners, be sure to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. We're actually going to be giving away these floor liners, as I talked about in the beginning of the video. And how you're going to enter the drawing is you have to like this video, smash that like button. Okay, you have to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you're not already and you're watching this video for the first time. You also have to go to our Instagram and go ahead and give us a follow. The link to the Instagram is in the description of this video. And last but not least, leave a comment below with the hashtag Angels Travel Unravel. It makes it easy for me to find you guys and pick out the winner for the next video. So once again, thank you for watching. Stay tuned because we're going to be announcing the winner of the LED headlight giveaway right now. Alright guys, so we are going to be picking our winner today for the 7-inch round LED headlights and fog light kit for the Jeep Wrangler JK. So we're partnering with Raffle Dash to go ahead and pick a random comment on this video, and we're going to show you guys who is going to be our winner and who's going to take these headlights from this contest. So let's do it. And congratulations to Zach from me. He has a 2015 Sahara JKU. And he says the Jeep Mafia brought him here. Hashtag Angels Travel Unravel. So Zach, if you're watching this video, go ahead and contact us to claim your prize. I'll hold on to this for at least 2 weeks. If I don't hear back from you, Zach, then we're gonna run a new winner. Okay, so everybody check back in the next video. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Smash that like button, please, and hit the little bell when you hit subscribe so you can get a notification for when the next video is where we'll be giving away the floor liners. Thanks for watching, guys.